Good day everyone, this is Angel. Welcome back to another episode of Paradise Channel. For today's vlog everyone, we're going to a place which is very sacred. So first thing in the morning is coffee. And now I am prepared to go for the trip. And I have to stop by there at the Liluan port so that I can meet our other company there. They will gonna drive with their car and I'll be driving with my scooter. So I'm already buckled up and ready to go. In case I forgot, I bring my mama with me. In this part of this video, I forgot or I didn't film the driving from our hometown to reach our destination. It's because I have my mama with me and she will be so angry if I'll filming while I'm driving because that's illegal. And also I'm just using my phone while filming this. I didn't bring my cameras with me. Okay, let's go. Where am I currently living right now is in Hinatilan. So from Hinatilan to Sibonga, it'll take 2.5 hours to reach our destination because I'm just riding the scooter with mama. But if I'm the only one who's driving, it will take me for like 1.5 hours. But I have my mama with me. She's a dragon when she scolds. So by the way, we're done parking our scooters and now we're here at the parking area and lots of vendors selling some souvenirs near the road, and that's the shrine we're going to. Our other company by the way lives in Sibulan, so we plan to visit here in at the shrine in Sibonga, but first we have to find something to eat. Okay lang. Tagpila ng bangos. So I have bangus and rice together with soda. That will be my brunch for today's vlog. And let's eat. After we eat, we're now heading to the shrine. And today we're visiting one of the most breathtaking and spiritually significant destinations in Cebu, the Monastery of the Holy Eucharist Simala Shrine, more popularly known as Simala Shrine, located in the mountain barangay of Lindogon in the municipality of Sibonga. This magnificent castle-like sanctuary has become one of the most visited pilgrimage sites in the Philippines. Every year, thousands of devotees, tourists, and curious travelers came here to pray, seek blessings, and witness the beauty of this extraordinary place. But beyond its stunning architecture lies a fascinating story of faith, miracles, devotion, and hope. So join me as we explore the history and wonders of Simala Shrine. Before it became the grand structure as we see today, this area was a simple monastery established by the Marian monks of the Eucharistic Adoration, a religious community devoted to prayer and service. During the 1990s, the region experienced a severe dengue outbreak that affected many families. The monks and the local residents turned to the Blessed Virgin Mary for protection and guidance. As stories of answered prayers began to spread, more people started visiting the monastery. What truly brought national attention to Simala Shrine was an event reported in 1998. Many devotees claimed that the image of Our Lady of Lindogon shed tears. News of this occurrence quickly spread throughout Cebu and other parts of the Philippines. Since then, countless believers have visited the shrine, convinced that the Blessed Virgin Mary intercedes for those who pray with sincere faith. As you approach Simala Shrine, one of the first things you'll notice is its incredible architecture. The structure resembles a grand European castle, complete with towers, arches, intricate details, and majestic stairways. Its unique design makes it stand out from most churches in the Philippines. Every corner of the shrine offers a beautiful backdrop for photographs, but beyond its visual appeal, the architecture symbolizes the grandeur of faith and devotion. Many visitors are amazed by how the shrine combines artistic beauty with a peaceful spiritual atmosphere. Stepping inside the church is a truly unforgettable experience. The interior is adorned with impressive religious artwork and detailed decorations. Looking up, you'll find beautiful ceiling murals depicting scenes of the life of Jesus Christ. These paintings create a sense of awe and are often compared to the artistic magnificence of the Sistine Chapel. At the heart of the shrine stands the revered image of the Blessed Virgin of Simala, elegantly displayed beneath a protective canopy. This sacred image serves as the focal point of prayer and devotion for countless pilgrims. Many visitors spend time here in silent prayer, reflection, and thanksgiving. Another special place inside the shrine is the famous Altar of Wishes. Here, visitors can light candles and write personal prayers, wishes, and messages addressed to the Virgin Mary. Some pray for healing, others seek guidance, protection, success, or peace of mind. The sight of thousands of handwritten prayer notes is a moving reminder of the hopes, dreams, and struggles carried by people from all walks of life. One of the most interesting parts of Simala Shrine is the collection of testimonies and ex-votos displayed throughout the complex. You'll find photographs, letters, graduation togas, medals, crutches, wheelchairs, and various personal items left behind by devotees. These objects serve as expression of gratitude from people who believe they receive blessings, healing, protection, or answers to their prayers through the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary. People come to Simala for many different reasons. Some arrive to fulfill a religious vow. Others come to offer thanksgiving for blessings they have received. Many seek comfort during difficult times, while others simply wish to experience the serenity and beauty of this sacred place. Regardless of their reason, visitors often leave with a sense of peace, inspiration, and renewed faith. As our visit to Simala Shrine comes to an end, it's easy to understand why this place holds such a special place in the hearts of so many Filipinos. More than just an architectural masterpiece, Simala Shrine is a symbol of faith, hope, devotion, and the enduring belief that miracles can happen. Whether you're a pilgrim, a traveler, or someone seeking a moment of peace, this remarkable sanctuary offers an experience that goes beyond sightseeing. It touches the heart and soul. If you enjoyed this vlog and learned something new about Simala Shrine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me in this journey. Until our next adventure, this is Angel, and I'll see you on my next vlog. God bless everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.